Hello, gorgeous. How are you? Thank you for watching and tuning in and being part of my beautiful community. So today we're going to be doing this very short clip on lips. You know, we often talk about like, how do I make that lip look so gorgeous and really bring out the color and really make my lips look glamorous for a special occasion or if I'm going out on a night on the town. Well, stay tuned. It's with my friend Joseph, who we all love. He's an iconic makeup artist. So let's get to it. So I'm Dawn Gallagher. I am a beauty expert and I'm a best-selling author on beauty. And I'm very excited about today because we are going to be talking about special occasion makeup, glamorous makeup, fabulous makeup. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that little bell and the subscribe button, and that will let you know when I'm uploading new videos. So let's get to it with Joseph.
Okay, so let's finish with the lips. Now, everybody's going to want to know, what color is he going to put with that? Look, I could put a really beautiful bright coral. It'll look gorgeous with that green. I could put a bright red. I think it might look a little bit clash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick with the cool tones. I'm going to stick with that cool tone. I'm going to go in with this kind of boysenberry, would you say? So I can actually take my brush and do what a lot of people do with a pencil, although I know a lot of people do prefer pencils because they have more dexterity with a pencil than they do with a brush. So we're going to start here in the corner. Give me a little open, give me a little space, a little more. There you go. Start in this corner. I'm just going to get this lip on here so that she looks like $1 million and we can show you the reveal. I think that's going to be a beautiful color. So I just want to start on the upper line. Now, I know a lot of people think, oh, I wish my lips were fuller. I wish I had, you know, a larger mouth, more pouty. I think it's better to go with what you have. It's never let you down. I've seen a lot of people with big mouths and little mouths, but the ones that stick out the most that don't seem to look right are the altered mouth.
Yeah, I agree. I think God makes no mistakes.
So I'm just taking a brush because that's what I do. You know, I use brushes. And I'm just going to make that shape like that. And I don't know about you, but I think that looks pretty sensational.
Yeah, I think I'm ready to get dressed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up or comment below. And remember, be bold. I hope you enjoyed some of the looks that we showed you today as well. I'm wearing a vintage Oscar de la Renta beautiful gown. You can find that at City Opera Thrift Shop. And I always love that it's secondhand, that you can wear this, you know, that you don't have to buy a brand new, that you can get a secondhand, beautiful, beautiful gown at really great prices. And it doesn't have to be new, and it looks like it's brand new. So thank you all. Love you. Bye-bye.